this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $500 from Pinterest every day. First step, you have to create a Pinterest account. You can be a business account. You have to add profile picture, write rich bio profile. After that, you have to choose one niche. You can choose make money online, health and fitness, hair care, whatever you want to. Who choose niche you can choose. And third step is you can create everyday pins like 5 to 10 high quality pins make $100 a day, how to weight loss. And fourth step is you can uh, monetize with the CPA link, affiliate marketing. Or five step, you have to create a landing page for a simple funnel for your offer. If you get 50 clicks every day and even 1% conversion for affiliate marketing, you can make a $20 every day to make $100 $500 every month. Or you can if you promote CP offer, then you need 10 conversion every day to make $20 a day. Or digital products is depend, which product are you selling or how much is the cost. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check link in description for tool and resources. So some tips for success: stay consistent, use eye-catchy designs, test different pin styles, focus on one method. This is how you can make $500 from Pinterest. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.